Alright, Mimi.
What?
And Nico Chan. Oh, she put those glasses on finally. Have we recorded while you were a wolf yet? Or no?
Why are you lagging? Go fuck yourself.
You said he hi.
Yeah, are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Hee hi. Hi, babe.
Oh, I wanted to play Turbo Tubes. Fuck you.
What the fuck?
I don't know what happened there. I just threw that shit and it just went. Oh. Woohoo!
I need to fucking kill my background app.
Why?
Oh shit.
Is your shit lagging?
I'm probably gonna get disconnected.
Why is it lagging?
Yeah.
Lagging too hard.
Oh, alright.
What's your background apps? Porn?
Yeah.
Pornhub?
Of course.
Lightning. Oh fuck. That was a bad jump.
You were disconnected.
Oh, you got disconnected?
No.
Oh. Sorry, just power through it.
I am. You see where I'm at now?
Or fourth? Are you in fourth?
Yeah.
No.
Who did I kill?
Oh, I killed. Oh, I don't know. Ah! Is that you? The fuck? Just got ahead of me saying you're lagging and shit.
I did. I was. I literally. I got out and I fucking killed my apps, dog.
Oh.
All by myself. Where did you go?
I'm playing. Oh shit. No, I'm not. All right, let's go.
Not my fault. You're the one who fucking backed out.
I know.
Oh, fun route.
What is this?
Yeah,
Oh, this is shit with all those.
No, this is a lot more.
All those saws.
This is different.
I like starting in the back with the saws. Fuck, because then that doesn't happen.
The fucking bubble. Nope, I'm lagging
Yeah, no, I just saw you. Oh, damn it. She got. Oh shit. Keep going. Bubble. It seems like the up way is like way easy as fuck to get past.
Yeah, it's safer.
Oh, you see that shit?
Last time. Yeah, I went right past you.
Ah, damn it.
How you like that magnet, bitch?
Right. As long as I'm not in third or last.
My laugh sounds so hideous on this game.
Yeah.
It's like never like that, but it's like.
Like what the hell? Holy fuck. Hopefully this balloon saves me from that shit.
Oh, babe, that was fucked.
What'd she do?
Fucking hops right over me. I'm gonna win, I'm gonna win, I'm gonna win. No!
And got third. Third. Where's this guy? Oh, that guy took forever. Oh, I can't do the 4 times video in here. Fuck.
You can. You have 2 more warnings.
I know, but I didn't even get a first warning yet.
You're playing fun.
I don't want to envy.
I guess.
With who?
This level.
Oh, Dorado.
It's not Dorado, it's Durapo or something.
It's just Dorado.
About that rebound. It's not Dorado, it's Durapo or something.
Durapo? Do you know how to redo?
It's not Dorado because Dorado is like El Dorado. It's fucking D-O-R-A-D-O. I know how to fucking spell El Dorado. I am a car person. Jesus Christ. Connie's fucking Cadillac is an El Dorado. That sounded really weird.
What? Alright, I threw that saw shit back there. Hopefully get somebody. Oh, fuck. Fuck you. Fuck you.
What? Did I yoink on your chain?
No, you didn't yoink on my chain.
Fuck you, sloth. What the fuck?
Just in case somebody dies in there. Yeah, first! Where are you guys at?
I'm out there.
Nico's about to catch up on you. No. Oh, at least the... Oh, no, she came last. That sucks.
I gotta watch this free gem shit.
Well, hurry.
I get to watch them, you don't.
I know. It's fucked.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Gay party.
he is having a gay party. See what she has to say about that. Oh, that's fucked. Okay. Let's see how it is. No gay parties. That guy looks tight. Looks like he belongs on this map. I got the bubble.
That was great. Oh shit, I got him in midair. That was great. Wow, you just let them pass us.
Yeah, I know.
You're fucking retarded. Die, motherfuckers!
No, I didn't die. I had that. Oh, I had it twice. The bubble thing. Nigga. Damn it. It's fucked.
Rejected. Fucking Jesus.
No.
I think Bate's gonna win me this time.
I think so. Oh, is she in first?
Nope, never mind.
It's fucked.
What is?
That I got pulled back up there. Fucking, why does my shotgun never hit anybody? What happened to her?
Who's her?
There's an X over her.
Who, Babe?
Yeah.
Ooh, I don't know. Maybe her shit disconnected.
Well, now you're in third.
That was so fucking ridiculous. Fucking asshole fucking pulls me back.
I think it did. You an inviter?
Oh, she's...
Invitation!
Oh, waiting. She's not online.
Oh, well, let's just play then. It's alright.
Fine. That was against my will.
That was against my will.
Two place.
Hell Badger, that sounds terrible.
Oh shit, no power-ups.
What the fuck? Alright, this is all skill now. No fucking power-ups, all skill. This is gonna be the most boring shit ever.
Oh shit, I forgot you can't run through those.
No, this is terrible.
You're failure.
If you mess up one time, you're fucked, huh?
Yeah, I see too.
For this turtle. I want to be a turtle. Why do I have this helmet on? I don't have my crown on. What the fuck's going on? This is weird. Dude, this is so damn quiet. Like, what are we doing? She just went up, huh?
Hmm?
She just went up the up route.
Who went up?
I should have.
No.
Dude, fuck these thorny bushes. This is the most boring shit ever. That was the worst match that I've ever played. Hold on, I want to put my hat back on. It's all the way down here. Alright. Let's play. Yes. Bouncy forest. Look at that guy. Fucking toucan. Toucan's about to die though. Jump, Jamie.
I don't need to jump.
I know.
Oh shit! I got you.
Whoa!
That didn't funny. I'd be like, hey, duck.
Duck. I try to pull him back when they're like jumping. Cause then it fucks him up even more.
Whoa, that saw
Yeah.
right over my fucking head. That was great timing.
I
We
know.
both pulled his ass back. That was fun as shit.
Hey.
Oh shit, that was close.
I know. So I was just thinking. Did you see that? Dude, I fucking flew right to the finish line.
Where are you at?
What do you mean?
Time.
Oh, almost 10. Well, actually, almost 9. But, you know.
No, she's a Kindle Fire and it has problems charging. Because all Kindle Fires do, so.
Oh, that's why it happened?
Yeah.
Kindle. I thought she had a phone.
Are you gonna use your. Oh no, you can't.
I know, I can't. Not till we're out of the fucking video. Crystal Cave, meth days.
Oh, okay.
Pretty Boy Domo? What the fuck? Which one is it gonna do? Which one is it gonna do? Oh. Someone's dead, dude. That guy. That guy's dead. Man, you got lucky with that shit.
I told you, the balloons stop anything.
Not the lightning, apparently.
Yeah, they've always stopped lightning for me.
I always fucking die. Ah! I tried to pull you. That's fucked.
That was fun.
Oh, I'm in 4th now. Okay, might as well just die. Oh. Well, this is fun.
This This is like your boring song.
I know.
I don't know
Shit.
why I chose it.
Well, I didn't choose it.
I said I don't know why I chose it.
Oh, you chose it? Thought we were playing fucking Crystal Caves.
You are too addicted to me.
Oh shit, Sawblade. Dude, you die so much on this map. Almost came in last. Oh! I came in third, no. I got third. That was close though. I almost came in last.
I swear to God, you came in last.
No, I didn't. I came in third.
Oh, wow.
Alright, last one. Better make it good.
1 second.
Are you watching a fucking video?
Yeah.
Oh! More Gabe music?
Yeah. Don't you just feel like hyping it this game?
No.
Fucking rave party?
I feel like making some hamburgers.
Okay, you can go to fucking
I know, I'm going to after this.
Oh, shit.
I always drop my phone, dog. I swear. Whenever we're over here, I always fucking drop it. We should make another World of Tanks video, though.
Tonight?
Yeah,
I'm fucking down, dude.
after I level up a little bit.
I need to message Faye and make sure she's okay. Are we playing one more? Yeah.
Yeah, after I level up that medium I've been using.
Space set!
Crater crevice.
It's like your mom's asshole.
That's fucking nice. That's gross. Oh, space fucking. Oh, you had the space set. That's why I said that. Oh, see, the balloon didn't stop that shit.
That was great. I played one right on top of the other one.
Oh, that guy looks like a fucking Taliban.
I don't want to go that far because I know I can type it.
I killed myself with that. Why does that always fucking happen? Oh!
That was great. That was good timing, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh shit! I hit myself
I'm
back.
outie.
Another lightning?
Oh no. What?
Get the fuck out of here, man.
Penetration!
Oh, what the fuck was that?
I don't know. Oh god! Oh, that sneeze lost me the game.
Oh!
God fucking damn it! The sneeze lost me the game!
That was great. Okay, are we done now?
Fuck that.